Hi, in 60 seconds I'll show you how to enable Apple Intelligence on iPhone 17 Pro. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Settings app from the home screen. In Settings, scroll down and locate Siri and Search, then tap to open it. Within Siri and Search, find Apple Intelligence near the top of the options list. Tap Apple Intelligence to open its settings and see available features and controls. If asked, sign into your Apple ID and read any brief setup prompts carefully. Flip the main toggle to enable Apple Intelligence, then wait for activation. Select personalization options like learning from apps, suggestions, and memory sync. Turn on proactive suggestions, summarization, and any assistant features you prefer. Review privacy controls, restrict data sharing, or allow personalized experiences as desired. Exit settings and give your phone a moment to apply the new settings. That's it, Apple Intelligence is active. Enjoy smarter suggestions and better predictions on your iPhone 17 Pro.